Hello everyone, welcome to another video with Precise HVAC Home Services. In this episode here, we're going to show you guys how to save money on your heating equipment this winter. So here are a few things that you can do to save money on your heating system in the winter. One, make sure that you are maintaining it every single year. The most common thing that a lot of homeowners don't do is maintain it yearly. They believe that it doesn't need maintenance, but that's false. You do need to maintain it once a year, and the reasons are lack of maintenance can cause costly, expensive repairs. And costly, expensive repairs can mean your system will not work when needed. When it's very, very cold outside, and it's exactly when it's gonna happen, when your system's gonna need to run at its hardest potential, and it's not gonna be able to give it to you, maintenance can prevent those breakdowns. Another thing you guys can do is make sure that your filters are being changed constantly. This is a very, very important key of keeping your system running. A lot of homeowners do not change their filters due to the fact that they didn't even know there was a filter there. These filters can kill your system instantly. Lastly, make sure that you don't have any obstructions in your ductwork. Get duct cleaning, things that are going to be able to get your airflow running smoothly and better. Thank you everyone for watching this video today. If you like content like this, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the algorithm push us out to more people. I appreciate everyone here watching, and we will see you on the next one.